Hello everyone, welcome to the weekend market analysis. Today 8th March, Nifty ends this week at 22,550 and Bank Nifty at 48,500. Because of the pattern we identified in the Bank Nifty, we got exact support in Nifty and we can identify the 600 points move from the support level. So in this week, we are going to discuss Nifty, Bank Nifty, and along with these indices, we are going to discuss commodity. In addition to that, we are going to discuss about the DXY, where it can predict the direction of Indian markets. And also, as a guidance, we are going to discuss about the Dow Jones Industrial Average also. More analysis for this week. Kindly watch the video fully to get the clear picture. Okay, see Nifty, in previous week, we identified because of Bank Nifty, yes, thanks to the pattern in Bank Nifty, because of the identification of ending diagonal in Bank Nifty, we get the support of 21,975 exactly. This is what I shared on March 5. 300 points bounce so far from the support of 21,975. So you can see here the first and nearest support we expected in Nifty was 21,975. I marked this line. And today's low was 21,965. See how precisely the price took support, and we expected 22,500 as a resistance. So we already expecting 500 points move from 21,965, and the price already reaches 22,600 plus. So this is what our expectation from 21,975 to 22,500, and actually the price is holding the level of 22,550 now, but still 22,500 is resistance. So the primary assumption is still the price in resistance. So the price can give a pullback, okay? Or if the price makes one more high, we need to check how the price moves on Monday. So if the price moves above the previous high of 22,600 plus, the important resistance can be 22,660 to 22,760. Okay, 22,660 to 22,760. See, the most important point is if the price moves to this gap level and starts to give a pullback, in our previous video we said that there is a chance of one more low in Nifty, but that is not mandatory. It may or may not. But in Bank Nifty only, the one more low should not come because the ending diagonal should not give up. So the low of Bank Nifty should be protected. But in Nifty, it can come. Okay, this is what we discussed. But at the same time, it is not mandatory. How to identify that? For example, if the price bounces to this gap zone, okay, 22,660 to 22,760, and if the price starts to give a pullback, the primary assumption can be the one more low below 21,965 is less probable. Okay, if the price moves to this gap zone and starts to give a pullback, primarily we can expect a support in this zone itself around 22,200 to 22,250. So one more low from this high is less probable in this wave count. Okay, but suppose the price starts to decline from here itself, there is a probability of one more low below 21,965. Okay, but for that we need to check how the price is taking support around 22,200 to 250. So this is the concept. Are we making one more high or not? Okay, in simple, price already at resistance, and it can move higher because the price is holding still now. So if the price makes a one more high, the important resistance can be 22,660 to 22,760. The only chance of moving more higher to 23,000 in this wave, the price needs to cross this zone with speed or a gap. Then only we can expect more highs to reach Nifty in this wave itself, or else this gap zone can be the important resistance. Okay, so primarily a resistance and a pullback, and it can start move higher. So this is the approach on Nifty. See Reliance also. So I'm not recommending. If you check the Reliance also gave a neat breakout from an ending diagonal. Okay, like this in this pattern. The pattern you found here, right? So similar pattern found in the Reliance, and the price is given neat clean breakout. So possibly this should be the end of correction, and the one more low below 21,965 is less probable as of now. So that's the understanding. And in Bank Nifty, yes, the expected level in Bank Nifty is around 48,900. 48,900 is the minimum expectation we discussed in our midweek market update, and the high made was 48,834, around 60-65 points difference, and the price started to decline. Here too, the price reaches our important zone. This is what we discussed in midweek, 48,900, and the price reaches 48,830, very close to our resistance. The price at already resistance, and it can come to this zone of 48,300 to 48,150, or as like Nifty, it can make a one more high to 48,850 to 48,960 and may start to give a pullback. If the price makes a pullback, we need to see the important level of 48,285. You can check in your chart. These are approximate levels, and 4800. So 48,300 to 4800 is the important support zone, and the primary assumption is this is the end of correction. So this should hold. Okay. Even we explained in a previous week, if the price makes one more low below this point, how to manage and what is the expected level by drawing the channel. Okay, in previous week we discussed, but that is secondary. So the price can directly come here. Okay, and if the price moves to this zone, this can be the important resistance. As like Nifty, the price needs to cross the zone with a gap or speed, then only we can anticipate the next level, or else this zone can be resistance and the price can give a pullback directly right from here or from this gap, and the 48,300 to 4800 can be the support, and the price should start moving higher to 49,600. Okay, this is the expectation for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So in simple, Nifty and Bank Nifty at a shorter term resistance, it may make a one more high or start to give a pullback. But as per our primary count, the pullback gets support, and eventually it should make another high like this. Okay, this is the expectation for Nifty and Bank Nifty. And if you see the Dow Jones Industrial Average, so this too almost close to the support point, and possibly this can be a flat. So flat will not move very fast in C. So a bounce can be expected. I shared this chart on 6th March. Yesterday, the price took some support here. So let us see, it can be a wave 4 and one more dip in wave 5. And mostly this is the important support zone 41,800 to 41,500 for in Dow Jones Industrial Average. And if the price gets support, the price may start moving higher from this zone. So aligning with our markets also, if the price directly comes to this zone without a bounce, then only we can expect some more deeper correction in Dow Jones. But as of now, it is looking like a 4 and 5 is pending, and we are close to the support in Dow Jones also. Just comparing our indices with the Dow Jones, because we are expecting an end of correction in our markets. And even if you look at the DXY, see this I shared on 14th November, okay, when it was trading around 106.5. In April, we expected a rejection around 106, and the actual high was 106.5 and declined to 100. Say this one, okay, during this time, April, this is resistance, and the price reached 100. And now the price seems to be in complex and near short-term resistance, and if it crosses 107.5, it may reach 109. So this is what I shared on November, and this is the expectation here. B pullback and C to 109. Okay, and many are asking that. See, we are expecting a support or resistance in whatever stock or indices. Okay, anything. We are expecting resistance or a pullback. Even we discussed some levels in Nifty and Bank Nifty. But when we analyze in the next video, I may say that one more low is still possible or one more high is possible, because see the support and resistance, we are expecting certain levels, and we need to see when the price reaches that level, and we need to analyze or we need to get the ending pattern or ending signal as per the wave counts. If not, I may think about one more high or one more low based on resistance or support. This is one example for that because I'm not saying it as a guesswork. Okay, the pattern should end, or else the resistance may still exceed for another level. Okay, that's the basic understanding. So here I expected 109, and when the price reaches 109, okay, the dollar index reached 109. But when the price reaches 109, I reanalyzed it again, and I found that there is no ending pattern found, or the internal waves are not suggesting that the waves are ended. So I said that though it reached the resistance, there's a possibility of one more high. Okay, this is not any guesswork, friends, because many are asking that I keep on lowering the lower lows or keep on making one more high. This is how we need to analyze. Okay, prices are moving daily. If the price moves us daily, we need to change our analysis also. Okay, and what happened next? This is 109. Once the price reaches the 109, what we did was the internal count suggests that one more high is possible. So it reaches 110 and now it is 104. This is the example I want to share. Even though we analyze the support resistance, we need to see how the price approaches the support and resistance. So this is the chart before we analyzed a B and C to 109, a B and C to 109. Once reaches 109, the internals not suggested the end of correction. So one more high expected. As per the expectation, it reached 110 and started to decline. So with this, let us move to the commodity section. See, in commodities, crude oil, in last video I said that either it can be ABC or even it can become a ABC. But the concept is the price needs to comes to 66 to even 63. This is what the analysis. And let me share the chart. This one I shared on exactly a month before, 8th February. So a B and C may proceed to 66. Okay. See, that's why I said in our one of my video also, don't always expect a pattern because we are not meeting daily. So levels are important and we need to understand how waves are working. Okay. But the understanding here is a B and C may proceed to 66. In reality, a B and C did proceed to 66, but the B is very small. We expected at least 74.7 like this, 75, but the price stopped at 73.5 itself. Okay, but eventually the price started to decline and reaches the expected level of 66, and you can see this is the analysis we did on February 8th, and today March 8th the price indeed reached the 66 levels. And see, all our 3 waves mostly it will come back one more again below this level of, what is this, 65. Okay, so oh, it already touches. Okay, so it's already touches the 65, but let us see, this is an important support, but it can come one more low to 63 also. Okay, it can come to 63 one more time after a bounce or right from this level, and I think this will be the end of the correction because all our three ways, X, Y, another X, another Z. Okay, this correction ended at Z, and Z is the last point to end the correction, and I think the crude oil may start moving higher. Okay, so we are close to very important zone in crude oil. Let us see, and I think eventually it can come to 63 and 63.5. This trend line support, and let us see if the price takes support, then there should be the important end of the correction in crude oil. Let us see. So this is the update on crude oil and natural gas. See, in natural gas also, exactly the price moved as per expectation. I showed in the previous video also. This is the support we expected and the resistance already we marked, and how exactly the price got support and how exactly the price got rejected. Okay, see, you can exactly the price got support and see it is rejecting that. So what we can expect next? See, since the price is already resistance, the price can extend. I think the price can come to this zone around 3.76. Okay, there is a possibility, but this is not an impulsive down. So there is a possibility of one more high also. So this is what I am saying. The price has reached resistance. So we need to wait for some more price action in natural gas. See, already the price at resistance, but if the price moves above this 4 point, this high, 4.53 or something, okay, this level, the price can eventually reach one more high, okay, and after that the price may start coming lower, okay. 4.8 is the highest level for making high, and it can even make an ending diagonal, okay. So these are some assumptions because the price is already at resistance and I'm expecting some pullback in natural gas, but internal waves may differ. So if the price makes a one more high, and it may move in an ending diagonal or in an impulse to reach 4.8 and may start to decline. So I think natural gas possibly can come back to 3.76 uh, right from here or after making some ending diagonal or ending pattern, some sort of ending waves, then it may come down. So if moves higher, 4.8 can be resistance, and if comes lower, 3.76 is the support. Okay, we need to see how the price reacts here, and we need to wait for some more price action because we exactly got support and resistance. We need to wait what the price is doing next. Okay, so 4.8 resistance, 3.76 is support. So silver, as I said in previous week also, we need to align with the gold because in gold, I'm expecting some sort of correction. And see, this is resistance. Are we coming directly here or after making one more high? But seeing this one more low to 2.815 to what is this? 2.790 is possible in gold. Okay. See, for it, let me remove this for clarity. So there is a possibility of rejection. See, if it is a flat, okay, this is not so far formed as zigzag. It can be a flat. So even it can go to expanded flat and come down. So still the price may be in correction. 2815 to 2790 is the possible zone to price to reach directly from here. And even though if the price makes higher, it will some sort of face resistance and come down. So still, if it is 4 or even if it is ABC, the correction is not yet over. And I'm expect primarily 2800 to 2790. Okay, this zone, and then the price may start moving higher if it is 1 2 3 4 5 to 3000, and it may come lower in medium term to longer term. Right from here or here, gold possibly may decline. Okay, this is what we're discussing for a month now. 2400 to 2500 is the expected level in gold, but we need to check the internal counts for the next week or couple of weeks. One more decline is due. That is the primary assumption, 2800 to 2790. Then based on the support, we may expect high or directly coming lower. That we can decide. But currently, one more decline is due in gold. So by considering the gold, silver is slightly, we need to wait for some more confirmation because in gold, I'm expecting decline. But silver already faces resistance. It's already reaches the resistance. So by making one more high here, what silver is doing, that is what my question. But for understanding here, the resistance can be 33. I mean the previous high 33.3, and even some even if it crosses the previous high 33.6. Okay, 57 to 6 can be some important resistance. Okay, from this the price uh, may decline, but we need to wait here. See, I'm just aligning the gold and silver. In gold, I'm expecting decline. If it is a flat, the B may even go to expanded flat and come lower. Silver already at resistance. By seeing this pattern, this should come lower. Okay, this should start to decline. But if the gold rises, what silver may do? See, that is what the my doubt. So this is the reason I'm marking some resistance here. It can decline right from here, or even if it moves higher, the resistance can be the previous high like this. I remove this highs. 33.38 to 33.57 to 60. 33.4 to 33.6. That can be the resistance. Based on that, we can react. And even if I get some other clues in silver, I will post update on midweek also. Since gold may decline, silver also may start to decline. But even if it creates the intermarket divergence, it may rise to this level, and in gold, it may form a B here. Okay. So that's the understanding here. Let us wait for some more time. But 1 week or later, there is a possibility of decline in silver and gold. Okay, for immediate term, we need to little wait for some getting close. So this is the update for this weekend, and I hope you enjoy the levels and the practical analysis of Elliott waves. See, and one important thing about the course, see, as I said, right from April 1, the price may revise. As I did in December last week, I'm planning to give a slight discount. See, the course is already at a reduced price. See, I'm not making the course price as 50,000 and reducing the 50%. Not like that. See, I think in Elliottwave, no one gave 400 charts as examples in Elliottwave. See, to understand the Elliottwaves, you need a lot of examples, and I have covered even minute levels. See, even DXY, we expect a resistance 109, but once the price reaches 109, I'm not strongly saying that this is resistance because the pattern is not ended. Okay, so minute levels also you can understand from my course. So I give slight discount from March 15th to March 31st. Okay, right from April 1, the price may revise to higher side. So you can use this opportunity to get this course at the best price. And if you wish to register this course in this week, maybe before March 15 itself, you can go to my website. I give the details in the description, and you can text me in the WhatsApp details provided in the website. So I will create a coupon code for you. So use this time to register my course. The course available at the best price and till March 31st. Okay. So thank you. Thanks for your support. And most important point is the things I discussed in this video only for learning purpose, and don't take it as any sort of buy or sell recommendations. If you like my work, you can subscribe my channel and share it with your fellow traders and friends. So thank you. Trade safe. Capital protection is always important more than the profit. So trade safe. We'll meet you in the midweek market update. Thank you.